we ensure that our dogs are not trained like show dogs. Mostly if you go to dog shows, you will find that the dogs come, they salute, they offer a bouquet to the chief guest and all. We just do not follow that. Our dogs are combat dogs. We do not produce show dogs at all. For example, look at my predicament. I am the chief training officer at this institution and I do not have the luxury of petting the dogs, because right from day one, we train the dogs to be loyal to only their handlers. They just don't get friendly with any of the strangers, because once you give that leeway, then the bonding between the handler gets diluted.
The process of bonding starts when they come here, when the puppy is 45 days old only. Then it ends till the dog is retired or even its last breath. So entire age, the handler accompanies the dog.